Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We are seconds away from inflation, core inflation, as we are seeing SpaceX break out. No surprise here at all. I reported to you a couple of weeks ago that government officials were buying into SpaceX. A couple of days ago, I gave you all the names and the numbers, and now we know more government deals done with SpaceX, and we're seeing a pump with SpaceX. This is no surprise. This was as expected. So get ready for a massive day. Inflation is out in just 3 minutes from now. So we're up today, $21,000 on this account, and across the board, I'm up about 50 grand today across all of my portfolio. $1.1 million invested in SpaceX, 100%, all in margin, all in everything, all in one stock. It's a contrarian view. Most people would never do that. Short squeeze is around the corner. We have the information. It is about to squeeze. All of this nonsense about everyone dumping the smartest people on earth is utter nonsense, and we're going to find out in a few days' time. 4 days from now, SpaceX reports, and in just 3 minutes from now, we get the inflation report. Look at that for a pump. $750,000 just in this one position. 1.1 overall. And I started with $5,000. Buy with conviction, understand what you own, and don't be afraid of anything. The only thing that actually gets in your way is you. Right, so here we go. We are just 2 minutes now from the inflation numbers. I have multiple sources ready to deliver. As you can see, CNBC always take a great time to have a break. I often criticize CNBC for this. They're always on a break. Bloomberg's on a break. Everyone's always having a break. We never stop. Yesterday, we were live for 15 hours yesterday. And it was really wonderful because we had some people message us saying, love this channel. Every minute of the day, every minute, every hour of the day, there's content. And I thought, wow. That's it. People have recognized that, and it meant a world to me when I saw that. Yes, we're here all the time. The family is engaged. It's real. We're 98% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel in the world by a long, long way. Right, and last night, of course, we had some major generosity and donations of our members in the chat. Okay, here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's see how this pans out. I've also got Sensei will be overlapping on the show as well. Sensei's live at the moment. He's ready to bring the numbers. So I'm going to bring Sensei through our show. You'll understand what I mean in a minute, but it'll be quite fun. I'm going to see Sensei's reaction to this as well. All right, so here we go. 45 seconds to go. I'm checking all my sources. Is inflation up or down? We heard the Fed yesterday, quite hawkish and a little bit distant as well, if I'm honest. People weren't really impressed with Kevin Walsh. He's going to get a right fight next time. I think the Fed, the press want more from him than just, yeah, whatever, and I don't answer questions and don't deliver anything. Right, okay, here we go. 15 seconds to go. Stand by for the inflation numbers. Here we go. So inflation numbers just seconds away. We're on standby. We were at 0.3. Newsletter. Inflation, we're waiting for the news to come in.
All right, we are just seconds away from PCE pricing.
Yes, indeed. 0.3. 0.1. Inflation is down. Inflation is down. This is good.
152. S&P futures up by
Inflation is down. GDP growth rate is down as well. Growth is down. We'll get all the numbers. Here it comes. The core PCE is 0.1, down from 0.3. Expected 0.2. GDP, though, is slowing.
Yes,
here we go.
Check out what's going on with regard to jobless claims. 197,000. That's once again under 200,000, which was expected. And last month's 187 becomes 188 as we continue to hover in numbers that really were the late 60s. 197, though, of course, does comp. We've had some numbers in that area. 197 would take us to the last week in April when it was 190. These are unbelievably contained numbers. And once again, I'm not sure how much info it gives us. Probably a lot of fraud taken out of these programs over the last year. Continuing claims under 1.8 million, 1,782,000. Once again, these numbers continue to be well behaved. We've been now below 1.8 million since the middle of June. Let's go to personal income and spending for June. Up 0.2 on income, a little light. We're expecting up 0.3. Up 0.2 is actually the lightest. Well, not long. It was unchanged in April. And remember, we're coming off up 0.7 on income. And even if you consider, the wage issues and inflation, up 0.7 was the strongest going back 5 years, July of 21. Spending up 0.3, 1/10 lighter than expected. Up 0.3 also equates to up 0.4, which was April. To give you a parameter, last month gets upgraded to up 0.9, which makes it the strongest number still since January of 23. Real spending accounting for inflation comes in spot on, up 0.4 last month, becomes 0.4 from 0.3. Month over month PCE down 0.1 as expected. Last month moved up to 0.5%. So 0.6 difference to the downside. Minus 1/10 would be the lightest level going back to basically COVID era, April of 2020, when it was minus 0.4. If we look at year over year PCE, that is coming in at 3.7, largely as expected. That would be the lightest level since March of this year. Now let's get into what I consider the most important numbers. Core PCE month over month up 1/10. We're expecting up 0.2. That would be the lightest level going back. It would equal March of 25 to find a smaller number. You're in May of 24. So basically over 2 years. And the most important number, the one I look at anyway, core PCE year over year coming in exactly as expected at 3.3. Don't see a revision to last month's 3.4. 3.3 would basically equal April. To find a lighter number, you're in March at 3.25. Now, there is an asterisk here, and everybody's going to be bringing it up. June numbers are already considered old. What's going on with the Mideast, the MOU, of course, being violated around July 7th. Just to put a face on that, crude oil reached its lowest level before the MOU was violated, and that was about $68, $68.50 in September futures. So we're about $15 higher, which is no small amount, but it certainly isn't over 100. And if we look at what's going on with regard to the first look at GDP for the second quarter, this is always important. We're looking for a number around 2%, comes in light. 1.5%, that would be the lightest quarter since the last quarter of 25. We're up 0.5%. On the consumption side, 2.3 expected. Hold on to your hats. 3.2, that is a big consumption number. 3.2, that would be the best since the third quarter of 25. On the pricing index, this is a big one, 6.2%. 6.2%. We're expecting a number around 4%. I have to go way back to find a number bigger. We're going back to the second quarter of 2022 when it was 9.3, of course, and that is not adjusted. When you look at the core pricing index, and this is a quarter over quarter number, it comes in at 3.4, a little bit light, 3.5 expected. In the rear view mirror, 4.4. So 3.4 would be the lightest going back to the last quarter of 25 when it was 2.7. So if I had to summarize these numbers, that price index at 6.2 sticks out a bit. Jobless claims well behaved. How did the market synthesize all that? We were right around 466, down 2 basis points in a 10-year. It's now at 467. A key technical pivot. It was the high yield close for the cycle on May 19th. Took us a while last week to get above that. And here we hover. Curve steepening, that was the big deal yesterday. We've gone from 24 basis points to 42 basis points on the 2s, 10s in 1 month. So many could say 30-year bond, we're all looking at it. How many people talk about the 20-year bond? They're oddities. It's the 10-year to look at, and it is relatively self-contained. The short end moving lower says, Warsh made the right call. Back to you.
Okay. Rick, thank you.
There we go.
Much.
Very, very interesting. Inflation, some good signs there, some as expected. The big story of the day, though, I've got to be honest with you, is a breakout on SpaceX, and I could see a short squeeze on SpaceX. This is a wonderful, wonderful day. There's a lot to celebrate here. You can see my portfolio is just under $750,000 on my main account, plus my ISA, Roth, and UK Robinhood. We've got $1.1 million all in on SpaceX. And this morning I announced there's going to be a big deep dive on it shortly about the new big government contract. I told you it was coming, and it was announced this morning. It's not even had a chance to be on the main market yet. And if we hit 117 on SpaceX, we could go all the way up to 140, be a massive short squeeze, and then we could pump even further. So look, we're at 115.67. That is the biggest story of the day. So as you heard, bonds are rising. We got a Japan rate interest tonight. We'll see what happens. Looks like inflation has peaked, but of course, nothing to take into account of what's going on with the war in Iran again this month. So there could be more pain down the line, but at the moment, things looking like we're stabilizing. So potentially no rate hikes coming, just no rate cuts either. Anyway, so there you go. I'm going to keep my eye on SpaceX because it's the biggest story, the biggest stock in the world, and it's my entire position. And let's just have a look at crypto. Crypto is up on that news this morning. XRP is up, Solana is up, Ethereum is up. You can see it says 0% because I'm not in crypto. I've sold my crypto position. I'm expecting much lower prices. Coca-Cola, that was my biggest call of the decade. I've only been live for 5 years, but you get what I mean, right? Coca-Cola, we called exactly $90. We got out of it just higher than the CEO did, and we told you it would drop on that, and it has. It's now $88. Anyone who chased that is losing their money. So be careful. Coca-Cola is great. I've got a new price target of 106 next year, but not before a major pullback. We've already had a correction on the S&P. We are down 5% now from the top of the S&P. I wouldn't be in the S&P. Yes, it's up today, but it's nothing at all. If you look at it, it's down on the week, it's down on the month, and if you just sat there and just own the S&P, you've gone sideways. And in fact, year to date, the S&P is 7%. Let's look at my position. I'm bearing in mind I'm all in one stock with margin, so it's worse than ever because SpaceX has gone down since I bought it, so it's doubly down for me. So look at the S&P, look at that number. Remember it on the screen. Year to date is 7%. Let's go to my portfolio. Here we go. All in one stock, and I'm massively down on SpaceX. Year to date, I am beating the market again. And I'm beating the market with one stock all in margin, which is down. That shows you what the result is of being a contrarian, high-frequency trader, investor, but don't just sit there owning a stock and doing nothing and becoming a collector and a saver. Understand how the market works. So I've got literally $1.1 million all in margin on an asset that's down. So I'm doubly down, and I'm still beating the market year to date. And when this takes off, and it could take off today, because I told you about the big news with SpaceX, told you it happened, and governments were buying it, and government officials were buying it 2 weeks ago. I went all in, told you, and I was right. And now it's starting to come out all over the place. And there'll be a big announcement on the 4th of August. How do I know? I know. On the 4th of August, you'll hear from Elon Musk something that'll explode the market. So get ready, okay? 2 days before everyone's expecting everyone to dump. Will they? Well, you're about to find out. It's only 4 days away. So here goes SpaceX. It's starting to go up now. We've got a big deep dive on it this morning. After the bell, we'll talk about it. But anyway, Coca-Cola really... the defensive play, it's going down and down. Look at that now. Now, we're going to be able to buy it back soon. We're going to be able to buy back Coca-Cola soon, but not yet. I'm not getting the signals yet. I'm looking for banks, institutions rotating out of tech back into defensive. It's not going to happen. It's It's not going to happen. Not for a while anyway. So we're done with Coca-Cola for a while. The S&P went up, and it's kind of like, what are we doing? I wouldn't be buying that there either. Okay, so let's get busy with the fizzy. Rob's our number one gifter now. He is the all-time top gifter on the channel. Rob's 1993 is our big mega super gifter whale on the channel. He has gifted now officially more than anyone else. No one has come close. Well, Vince Bango was quite close last night, but Rob's is now our number one top supporter of the channel. Maybe you should have a t-shirt with number one supporter. Rob's is up there. He just gifted some more membership. So if you just want a membership, upgrade your membership.
I can't believe
You've got a
this.
30% discount. He's basically paid for your bronze membership so you can get all the information. If you go Electrum, you will find out when all my trades are 24/7. And I've beaten the market 3 and 4 years in a row, not by a little bit, by a lot. And we're now going to have a short squeeze on SpaceX. I've shared with you my friends at the White House press room links. I've shared with you my direct links and conversations with Ripple, Robinhood, CEOs, hedge funds, banks. I've been right for 4 years. And when this squeezes, we're not just going to beat the market. We are going to own the market. I could 10, 20x the market. Anyway, there you go. SpaceX given Space Force contract. I know, I reported on it a week ago. I told you it was going. I told you it was coming. And that's why I put my own money. $1.1 million. And remember, guys, I started with $5,000. All right, so let's go through our position. Lots of new members coming in today. So here we are. Let me show you the S&P. The S&P today is up 0.61.
I can't believe this.
0.61. That is it. Another new member, Joe. I am up today, 6.96. All right? We're not just beating the market. We now own the market. And there's going to be the biggest short squeeze in history. At the S&P, we've got Virgin Galactic barcoding. The money is siphoned out of there. Please be careful owning it right now. The big money is not there. It's in SpaceX. It's all government contracts, nothing to do with the thing that everybody is moaning about. It doesn't make any money on AI. Because you talk to AI and you programmed your chat GPT to make silly videos about the end of the world coming, you're going to lose everything. It's not how it works. Gold going up. Amazon up 3%. Apple is down 0.94. Enphase Energy up 2%. It's going to $100. Coca-Cola now selling off. It's going into SpaceX. I told you yesterday the piggy bank would be raided, and it is being raided right now. Anyone who bought that into $90, I literally pleaded with you not to do it. I told you the target. I told you the banks, and I told you the days and the times when they would rotate out of Coca-Cola many, many times. And to fact check me live on the show, if anybody in the chat, any of my members, any of my Discordians, if you know and you've heard me say the days, the times when banks, institutions would rotate out of Coca-Cola, say yes. Have I beaten the market 3 years in a row? Have I shared all my trades? Do I share all of my positions? If all the answers to all those questions is yes and truthful, put yes in the chat. If I make it up, is 1970 Buckley. 1970 Buckley was our former number one supporter. She's been number one for about a year. But last night, in one night, Rob's donated one after another. We had our super whale, which is known as 1970 Buckley. She likes to be called a dolphin, has been our top supporter for over a year. And last night on the show, I don't know what the heck happened, but some of the guys said they made a lot of money on our trades with SpaceX and Coca-Cola, and we had 100 after 100 after 100.
I can't believe this.
Every single person now who's watching the show is a member. I mean, we have got the biggest supporters in the world right now. So we've got Rob's number one. We've got 1970 Buckley now just coming in just behind at number two. She was number one for a whole year. And then Vince Bango in number three. It's one hell of a thing on the show.
I can't believe this.
Well, all these members being gifted. Let me carry on showing you some more. This is 1970 Buckley giving everyone the chance to get all of my trades. Life-changing wealth happening right now. Absolutely awesome stuff. So let's carry on. There's so much to share with you this morning. A big Virgin Galactic special as well. Sorry, a big SpaceX special coming up. J&J is down, defensive now, selling off. Tesla going up. McDonald's down. Google down today. Microsoft, a massive in 1 second last night. We covered it live, 8% in 1 second on our show last night with Microsoft. And I even told you it was going to happen and why it was going to happen. You missed an 8% event last night. Meta, massively oversold. Huge buying opportunity for Meta today. Nvidia up 2%. Walmart going down. I won't buy it until it's go to 100. Tilray Brands, no value. Robinhood going up, too expensive. Vertical up 1.64. Joby up 2.41. Archer up 1.79. Taiwan Semiconductor 3.58. And we got Bitcoin up 1.28. We got XRP up 0.83. And we've got Ethereum at 1. This is nothing. Nothing in crypto. I've sold all my crypto position. You can make a lot more money now owning the only game in town. That's going to be the biggest short squeeze in history, SpaceX. And that is why I'm there, because the signs were all there. The governments were there lining up to do it. All right. Okay. I think we've got some people joining us from Sensei Stream. Let me, Vaz sent me, Sensei sent me. What we're going to do, we're going to get very busy today because it's going to be an explosive day today. We could have a massive short squeeze today. And I love short squeezes because I really love seeing bad people who lie and scheme and cheat and try to bring down everything, lose their money. I love it. It makes me happy. All right, honestly, I loved seeing bad people lose. Is it wrong? Is it wrong? But I like it. I like it. Okay. Louise, what is a short squeeze? Let me explain it to you. One of my members. What a short squeeze is. Well, a short squeeze is, if you imagine this, you've got the bulls and the bears. Bulls are bullish, they're buying the stock. Then you've got the bears. Now, bears can sell stock or they can take contracts out on the market, short interest, pushing the market down. They're going against the market. They're not just selling it and getting out. They're trying to drive the market down. They're trying to destroy businesses. They're trying to break businesses, make people lose money, destroy businesses, put people out of business so they can make some money for themselves. It's very ugly. Don't like it. I've never shorted the market. I like it. I like when they do it because it gives me their money, but I do not like short sellers at all. I do not like it. It's negative. It's against the market. It's destructive. It's very selfish. It's greedy, but it's okay. They can do it because it's how I take their money. And what they do, they bet against the market. They don't just sell and get out. They don't just don't buy it because they don't like it. They bet against it. They put pressure on the market going down. And what happens is they take out contracts, they take out options on it, and they try to force the market to go down. And it does. It negatively impacts businesses, puts some businesses out of business, all right? Drives the stock market down. People can't refinance their businesses because there's some idiot sat on the toilet shorting everything, taking a big contract out on it. So that's what happens. Now, this is where it gets good. This is where a short squeeze comes in. If you buy a great business that has a good business and it ultimately is going to go up, the bulls keep buying. Okay, so you got all this buying pressure, building and building and building, and the short sellers get squeezed because eventually the stock goes up. A good catalyst, good volume, a good story comes out, like what's happened this morning, which I knew about, which is why I'm in. I told you it was going to happen 2 weeks ago, that the government were behind this and would have a massive short squeeze and people would not be selling like everybody predicted. So what I said to you was, it would go up. So more and more buying interest is coming in. More good news is coming in now. The catalyst, the volume is there, and all the shorters have to decide what to do because they bet on the market going down. So they either lose all their money, which is not a good idea, or they cover their options. They have to buy the market, basically. They have to reverse their position and buy. Now you've got the bulls buying and the bears buying. So think of it like a champagne bottle, right? It gets squeezed into the nozzle and then it goes boof out the top. Everybody's buying. The bulls are buying and the bears are forced to buy because if they don't buy, they're going to lose all their money. So they've got no choice. They have to buy. So everyone's buying now, and that's what happens. You get increased volatility of buying. Everybody's buying. So that's what happens. That's what happens. That's what a short squeeze is. It's squeeze. You squeeze the shorts. It comes at the neck of a champagne bottle, and boom, everything goes up. The most famous one till now was GameStop. GameStop hit 100% short interest. Everybody was shorting GameStop. And then there was some news, it went up, everyone started to buy, and it exploded. But that was a rubbish business with the rubbish, just basically rubbish, all influenced by a few scammers and Roaring Kitty and so on and so forth. Well, I'm kind of like the Robin Hood of Roaring Kitty. I'm not here for myself. I'm here to help people. And I said to people that the next big thing would be Virgin Galactic. That hasn't happened yet. And SpaceX, even bigger, way bigger. Bloody hell. It's not even the same territory. You know, you've got a short squeeze coming on Virgin Galactic, but you've got a mega tsunami short squeeze coming on SpaceX. But anyway, that's what's happening. And that's what a short squeeze is. All right. I hope that answers your question. Right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, I need to upload something a minute. Upload my clips for the, is that the right sort of date yet? Let me do this now. I need to put out the clips for the inflation numbers. Many of you like my little shorts, my clips on Reels, the Clips channel. You want to get like all the news in 10 seconds. I give that to you. If you've not seen that, by the way, shall I introduce you to that? Some of you don't know about this. Hang on then. Let me just clip that. Let that get on with it. Oh, it's doing it. Right. Let me share this with you. We've got a bit of time. We've got a SpaceX special this morning. Let me show you in case you've not done this yet. All right. So on the home page of the channel, where you are right now, you're watching the main channel, Martyn Lucas Investor. This is the flagship channel. That tick up there is a verification tick from YouTube. I don't put that there. That means we are genuine and authentic. And for a financial channel, that's massive. All right. So down here is what I'm talking about. So we have an extra channel. This is what runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, Bloomberg, they replay the same video every single night. There's 3 or 4 interviews that go round and round and round. Absolutely, utterly despicable and lazy. What we do is we restream the show from today. So you can watch it at different time zones live with everybody because we reach different countries at different time zones. So you can talk to live viewers. You can talk to people live as it's replaying what you've just missed. So rather than watch a restream from the main channel, you can watch a replay from the main channel. You can watch a restream. All right. This is the extra channel. All right. So right now you can see we are playing a show, a previous show. It's like yesterday's or this morning's show, but it's got live chat. You are in the show chatting with live people. Literally, you are in the chat, chatting. Look, there's Kimberly, look. There's Kimberly, one of our members. She's always there, always there. All right? Different countries, different times. This is going to be bigger than the main channel because this is how we'll become a billion channel because different countries around the world, different languages, jump in and talk. If you want to talk to people all around the world, watching what you just missed in different time zones, 24 hours a day. You've got support, communication from people. That's the extra. So let me give you the channel link and invite everyone to subscribe to it. It's a separate channel. You might want to subscribe to it. The extra channel has 7,500 subscribers. It's going to be bigger than the main channel, all right? There's extra. Can everyone go and do that now? And if you do it, your subscription name will come up on the screen, right now. So just do it for a second, and then I'll tell you about the rest. You've got plenty of time. The SpaceX special is coming up later this morning. So if you subscribe to it now, your name will come up on the screen that you've done it if you are a public subscriber. Some people hide their subscriptions and you don't see them. That's just, some people like to be private about stuff. So if yours doesn't share, that's because you've not shared, you want to be private and hidden from the world, and that's up to you. Right, so there you go. No one done it just yet. All right, so that's the extra channel. That's 24 hours a day, restream, live chat with everybody. So it's a lovely thing. Now, what we do, because it is 24 hours a day, there's a membership. It's 99 cents. The minimum you can charge on YouTube. Now, why do we do that? Because it's 24 hours a day. If it was free and open, people would abuse it. They would say, buy Bitcoin all through the night, and it'll be a useless thing. We want it for our investors. We want it for a healthy conversation. So we put a 99-cent super chat membership there for life. No increase, no price increase. And what that does is it 24 hours a day, no one can ruin it. It's there for everyone to have a conversation about what you just missed. So everyone on the main channel should be a subscriber, at least for free, on the extra channel. All right, everyone should be a member on the extra channel. It's completely free, and everyone should do it. If you want to actually chat in the live chat and talk to people, it's 99 cents. There you go. That's all it took to get rid of all the idiots. Then you have the clips channel. Now, the clips channel is where I share all my clips of the show. Look at this. There you go. These have just come out a few seconds ago. These are all the clips from the shows. They give you all the information in the title and the description of what it's all about. And you get a 10, 15, 20-second clip of all the things that you need to know. So if you want to get a recap of the day and you want to browse, what you can also do is go on the playlist. Oh, there we go. Walter, the GSD, has just subscribed to the extra channel. If you want to become a member and chat to audiences around the world, it's 99 cents. All right. So the clips channel shows you all the clips. As you can see, all these little clips come out. These have only just come out in the last few hours. Look, they've got no views yet. It's every 30 minutes, 24 hours a day, a new clip comes out. You could actually play the playlist and watch all the highlights on the show. If you're busy and you want to get all the highlights from the show, 15, 20-second clips, you can do the playlist and watch them all. Really simple. All right. So there you go. Let me give you the link to the clips channel. Now, this one is even better. There's no ads. There's no membership. It's completely free. Completely and utterly free. It's to give people a very quick news blast of what's going on. No memberships, no ads, nothing. Just 10, 20 seconds, boom. Everyone on the main channel should be a member of the Clips channel. This is the full network that we have. Have you all done that? All right. Okay, you've all got that? All right. The next one, the last one, is the music channel. I'm the World Piano Man. You can go and see videos of me doing my own Vegas show, touring all around the world in big theaters, concert halls, stadiums. I've done halftime shows and the national anthem for the NFL, football teams, all kind of things on the field. You can see me rehearsing with Wings. That's the Paul McCartney band. Paul doesn't tour with Wings anymore. I get asked to do it when they come to America as the voice of Sir Paul McCartney. There's loads and loads of things. And you can see me on tour with the World Piano Man tour, where I'm wearing Sir Elton John's jacket I won from the World Piano Man. You can see me doing the Piano Man tour. This is it here. All this stuff here. This is me here with the British Philharmonic Orchestra. Look at this. This is the second biggest theatre in England. This is the Mayflower Theatre in Southampton. 3,500 people here. There's the orchestra. There's my World Piano Man tour. You can check all this out. So if you want to see all of that, that is Martyn Lucas, the music channel. And again, because we are official, licensed, we have the official musical note. That's because I'm a recording artist. I'm a published artist. I've got the a record on Amazon. I've got a record on iTunes and Spotify. That's why I have the official musical note. I'm the only official Martyn Lucas. Anybody else is just scamming me. I am a published artist. I've won awards and all that kind of stuff. It's all in my all in the information there. All right. So there you go. There you go. There's an update of all the channels and all the network. I just saw someone did it, which is wonderful. Right. Let me just put out then very quickly the inflation news. Now, this is what I do. Let me show you this. You might be interested. Now, while I've been talking to you, let me just show you the back end. If we got time, look at this. Here is the inflation report this morning. I just showed you the inflation report. I've just turned it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little clips. Right? Now, using this technology of AI, it works out what I said, broke it down into individual little clips. Inflation down, PCE price index, news reaction. It's all there for you. It tells you what it is. It gives you a 10-second, 15-second news blast. And on the Clips channel, it's free to watch, no ads. I give it to you for free. I pay to do this, right? And you get the news for free. So you don't have to watch 3 hours of video content. You don't have to go scrolling through Google. I've got it all for you. So now watch what I do. I pick the first one. It gives a 99% viral rate. It tells people tells me how good this video is. So we're doing a good job, right? We always get 99. We always get 99. Between 99 and about 85 is our scores that we get, right? Somewhere in that region. So what I do now is I click here, and in 1 second, I'm going to put it, right? In 1 second, I'm going to put it on my Facebook reel, my Instagram, my X account, my the main channel, the Clips channel, and we don't want it on the music channel. It's not music related. We are squeezing on SpaceX, by the way. We'll come back to it in a second. I don't need to look. I knew it was going to happen. Anyway, and then I go publish. So what I do now is I select the time. So 8:15. If I go Thursday, 8:15, in just a couple of minutes time, every half an hour, 24 hours a day, you get these clips. There it is. There is the first one. That's PCE inflation, key numbers explained simply. There you go, published. Now this one, I'll just do them for you. If you don't mind, just give me 10 seconds. I want to get these all out, and then I can come back with SpaceX. We know it's going to pump because we know. I mean, that's why I put 1.1 million into it. All right. Okay, it's taken a few seconds, so I'll be doing that while we're watching SpaceX. You don't want to stare at that. I just thought I'd share with you how it actually works and how I put these things together. Right, let me come back to all of you, and I will let that. There we go. There's the next one. So this will go out now on the half hour, and then we do every half an hour, 24 hours a day. So let's go to 8:30, which is in 27 minutes. The other one was 8:15, just to kick it off. There's my 8:30 one. And now every 30 minutes for the rest, 24 hours a day, you get all the news. So this one will go at 9 o'clock. And later on this morning, we are doing a SpaceX special. No surprise, you know what's coming. The largest short squeeze in history. And I'm already in. There's 9 o'clock. I've got 3 more to do. 9:30. I'll come back to you in a second. I don't even need to look at the market. You need to be in a position on the market where you don't even need to look. That's what. Remember, I always say I buy businesses that I can own. I can own for 10 years, and I don't even need to look. I can be in margin. I'm not bothered. That's. I could go out today and not even care. Right, there is 9:30. That's talking about the oil prices. This is going out at 10 o'clock. I've got 3 to do. They're going faster now. Took a while. I think when I was showing you, it was going slow. It's always the same, isn't it? Anyway, so if you just tuned in, tap the like button. It's going to be a massive day today. Like really good. We're going to absolutely crush shorters around the world that have just made up false information to scare people for their own selfish greed. And I love it. I love it. Does that make me a bad person? I'll tell you why. When I was at school, I was bullied a lot. And I kept going. I kept doing the right thing, but I was bullied for being contrarian. I was working from the age of like 6 as a family band. And every night after school, as I got older, I would go out and do gigs. I was working and I was an entertainer, a musician. And I had one boy at school called Simon Morris. And on the way home, he'd always beat me up, literally for 2 or 3 years. Bloodied noses, ripped shirts. Every day, called me an idiot. He called me an idiot. Why are you always so different? And all the rest of it. And it was horrible. And it made me stronger. And because of it, I've helped other kids that were bullied and so on. But it's always made me determined to win. I don't care about the money. I don't need stuff. I don't even buy things. I just sit here and talk to you. I just like to win and help people win and to stuff it to bad people. That's my way of getting back, really. I like to see nice people who work hard, who educate themselves, do good things, beat horrible people. Does that make me a bad person? But probably, I don't know. I just don't care. I like seeing bad people lose. I love it. I can't wait for Vladimir Putin to lose, you know? All of that. All the wars going on. All the bad people that do bad things. I just like it when they lose. And I'm really happy about it. And I'm not politically correct. I'll tell you why I'm happy about it. So when people lie for their own selfish greed and they manipulate the market and tell people lies because they want to get rich, they value money over people. I hate you. I don't like you. I'm going to make sure you lose. And I do. And that's it. And I don't make apologies for that. We're all here as a human race to help each other, work together, and we can do amazing, beautiful things. So there you go. And if you're a horrible person, then you're going to lose, right? And I'm going to make sure of it every single time. Anyway, just telling you the truth, how I think. So let me read some comments. Let's get ready. Now, I've just posted all those shorts. They're now every half an hour for the next 4 hours. No, not 4 hours, until 10 o'clock. So 8:15, the first one, because I missed the 8 o'clock. 8:30, 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30. That's all the inflation report. You'll see it on X. You'll see it on Instagram. You'll see it on the Clips channel. All for free. How about that? And I just paid to do that. I pay credits to do that. So I earn nothing from it, but you get the real information. So there's my X. There's my Instagram. Will it show in here today? Come on. Oh, it keeps showing on the other on the vertical. Yeah, done it again. Damn it. Let me give you my X. If you want to follow me on X, you can see all these clips. They appear there as well. There's my X, just there. Got it? And here is my Instagram. We're about to hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. And when we do, there's a big event at 10,000. A live event on Instagram. I can't wait for it. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, there's going to be a special subscribers only private members event on Instagram when we hit 10,000 followers. We've got 99 subscribers. It's 99 cents for the private behind the scenes stuff. If you want to know what goes on behind the scenes, 99 cents. And I'm going to do a live event at 10,000 where I go live to my members. And to my subscribers. I'm really quite excited about it. Big surprise coming up. Anyway, let's go. So what we're looking for, the big short squeeze is this. When we hit 117, we could go straight to 140. Yeah, imagine that with 1.1 million. Now, Coca-Cola. My favorite asset. I warned everyone, do not buy Coca-Cola. It is going down at $90 and it's going down hard. Now, when I make my money from SpaceX, and I'll probably make about $1 million, that's how much I'm going to make, about $1 million if I hold it to the top, which I, of course, won't because I never do. I buy the bottom. I never sell the top. Okay, but with SpaceX at the beginning of its journey, I don't really want to sell that much. I will trim off and buy Coca-Cola. That's what I'm going to do, and the S&P, but not the S&P yet. We've got a Bank of Japan rate decision tonight, which could put the market on a kilter. But anyway, the big story, there's nothing else like it. The money is out of crypto. There's no money to be made there. I sold. I mean, there really is only one story in town. If we hit 117 today, which we could, we've just got another major government contract. I did tell you it was going to happen like 2 weeks ago. I gave you the literally said I'm going all in with margin at 1.1 million. I was that convinced. I wasn't in any doubt whatsoever. I speak to the people that move the market and I went, right, it's easy. Let's do it. And I did it. And we're now getting the payoff. So are we down on SpaceX? Yes, we're still down. Now I put 1.1 million across my portfolio. I'm down over 100 grand. Okay. Am I worried? No, I'm not worried. Even remotely worried, because that is simply the trading price for people that don't know what they're doing. That's not any reference to SpaceX. That's of no consequence or value to me at all. I don't care what shorters are saying on flipping social media and amateur investors. I've been doing this since I was 17. I've been trading with Barclays Bank since I was 17. I'm not bothered what homegrown amateur investors are saying on their YouTube channels and their X accounts. I couldn't care less. I care what the banks and the money and the institutions and everybody else that knows is doing. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm not bothered about all this. I'm just so excited for everyone to win big. We saw what happened yesterday. Some of our members won really big yesterday, and we had Vince Bango and Rob's like donating memberships all over the place, dropping $100 super chats all over the place. They were all excited. It was just wonderful. Not for me. I mean, it's very nice, but that money goes into the channel. It goes into running the show, right? It goes into running the show. So thank you for that. But it's just wonderful to see all of you winning. And that's what makes me happy. I just love when everybody wins. And it's really easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. So let me answer the Q&A from members. Let's have a look. We've got MW from Norway here. Lord Quiche is here. Sean Brooks is here. Welcome to you. Morning from rainy Nova Scotia. CH. Lance Strength is here. Good morning, Pete. Louise. Hey, everyone. Hope you're all well. Andrew. Sufyan, how are you? I've just found a non-member. It's very rare you find a non-member these days. DeWold, good morning to you. Biker Dudes from Mars. J-Man. Luke Shoyers. Good afternoon. Petra Menorca is here. Amir, good morning to you. Rob's here. He is, the big man. He's now number one. 1970 Buckley has been number one for a year. 1970 Buckley has been number one for a year. And last night, Rob's just blew up the channel. It was unbelievable. Get Involved NT. Ryden is here. High Energy is here. This is absolutely bullish. Good morning, Brocker Badley. 454. Roland is here. Sufyan is here. 454 Brian. We got Rob gifted new memberships to people that he's trying to help you get all the trades 24/7. A-Kip, new members. Look, gifted memberships from all over the place. Could you say all in on space? You're a non-member. I don't know why you're asking me that. When you get a chance to tell Sensei to share that Discord mag I sent with you, I don't think he has read it. I know he's busy. Robs, when you get a chance, tell Sensei to share that Discord mag I sent him with you. I don't think he has read it. I know he's busy. What a Discord mag? What's that? Do you mean the newsletter? Is that what you said? Is that what you're saying to me? Sensei said he would do that. I think you said, Sensei said, Sensei's a gentleman. He's a word of his, he's a man of his word. He said that, that if you got a lifetime membership on the newsletter, he would share it with me, Vaz, as well. So is that what you're talking about? Because that's what he'll do. That is what he'll do. I've got no issue about that. So thank you for saying, but he will. I won't need to ask him. It's we got a really great team here. I'm looking forward to this short squeeze on SpaceX. 1970 Buckley started gifting memberships. She gave a membership to Ben Reeves. She's now coming up now number 2 our number 2 top gifter. She was number 1 for a year. I thought it was impossible to beat her. I thought no one would ever get close. And in one night, Rob's just went bang, like a bloody short squeeze. I'm sure 1970 Buckley is thrilled to bits with that. She won't mind that at all. Gifted memberships. Good morning, Martin and family. Yes, I am. Confirm all. Yes, I am. Confirm all. Yes. Oh, you confirming what I said. Thank you very much indeed. Coke is up 6.66. Yes, it is. We know. We told you it was going to go up on the earnings. We explained it. And then we told you it'd sell off. So yeah, we know it's up. Don't try and twist it. Don't try and make me out to be a bad person, or, you can try, actually, and my members will correct you. We know it's up. We gave a price target of 90. Not a surprise. I said it would go to 90, but then we said it would sell off, and that's exactly why we sold it. Remember, the CEO of James Quincy, former CEO, who resigned just a couple of months ago, he sold it below me. So is he stupid as well? All right, the CEO of Coca-Cola. Anyway, Liz is here from Germany. Thanks for the information. Motor Crypto is here. D. Amore is here. Liz, hello, everybody. SDNK, good morning to you. Hi, Petra. Sensei, talk a bit different. Now here I get FOMO. Martin, good morning. What is a short squeeze? I explained it, Louise. We're all good now. Elon sent me. Yeah, I bet he did. No need to short, just buy put options. No need to short, just buy put options. So that's what you're doing then, aren't you? If you're buying puts, you're shorting the market. So, you're a non-member. You're just being negative. That's fine. We'll take all your money. I don't mind. Hello, Martin. Glad to see you helping ordinary people understanding complex stuff. That's what we do, Tio. That's what this channel is all about. Good morning, Liz. 1970 Buckley. Let's squeeze SPCE. That can also happen. And when we take our money from SpaceX, and I make $1 million, and I buy Virgin Galactic with all of my other friends, boom, space, Virgin Galactic will go as well. You can't stop it. It will drop again more. It's becoming a game at this point. It says Cowboy, you're a non-member. You're going on all. You're talking about all these the unlocks. You're wrong. Thanks for the explanation. I remember GameStop. Yes, I knew you would be on fire today, Marcus. Indeed, Kimberly. Martin is forgetting that we're experiencing long squeeze at the moment. Martin is forgetting. I'm not forgetting anything. Gabe Buffett. Gabe Buffett is, hang on a minute, where is he? Whereabouts were you in the chat? Just bear with me, folks. Just bear with me a second. Please bear with me a second. We're running some reverse IPs. Please stand by. There we go. So, and delete that person. There we go. We got rid of a troll and a scammer. The chart is finally turning up for SpaceX. Oh, it will do. Yes. Martin, SpaceX occurred. Yes, it's occurred. I told you it did. I gave it to you in Discord hours ago. And I told you a week ago it was going to happen. I told you the members, the government officials that were buying it. Cameron Griffin, I also already subscribed to the extra channel and the the Clips channel. Thank you. Subbed, said Walter. Thank you. Already subscribed. Thank you, Andrew. I love it. Trading View. What about it? I'm down on everything. I'm terrible at this game. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Louise. Join us on Discord. We do one-on-one support. We've got a training course, which we give you for free inside the newsletter, worth thousands of dollars. Literally thousands of dollars, 11-part video series. Sensei will do charts for you, give you price indicators, which I've used and won 4 years in a row, never lose. We've also given you a one-on-one support. If you're a pro member on Discord, one-on-one, I'll help you answer all your questions. 2-stage events every day. We show you everything. I share with you all of my trades 24/7. Now, what do you think we charge for that? Hundreds of dollars we could. No, a couple of bucks. And it never goes up. We've just won for 5 years in a row, best practices on YouTube. We got the verification tick for genuine and authentic. And we have the 100,000 plaques soon to become 1 million. And we give you all of that for a couple of bucks. And guess what? There's no price increase ever. There's no inflation ever. And for 5 years, we've kept that promise, even though YouTube have asked us to increase our prices like by double. And we've shared it with you on the screen, our reward and what they said. All right, big deal, really, really big deal. And you can have all of that with us. Silver hurt me, 45% down. I wouldn't buy any precious metals. They don't do anything. They don't earn anything. We are looking for businesses where it's backed by money, it's backed by governments, and it's where the smart money goes, not the dumb money, not the YouTube money, not the Instagram money, not the social media money, none of that stuff. It's all rubbish. Let's have a look. Chris, did you hear this morning about Paul McCartney getting nominated for a Mercury Prize? No, I didn't, Chris. Tell me all about it. Hi, everyone. Squeezy. Yep. Slim Cobalt. Martin, do you think SpaceX already hit the bottom? No, I think it can go lower, actually. But I'm going to just sell my middle lots in a minute and buy even lower. So I just keep buying. I mean, I've got more money coming in. I'm trying to get to $2 million on SpaceX. Up 6% this morning. Great. Hello there. Hope it sticks. Bloody hell. Me too. I'm loving it. Also in SpaceX with 172 shares and 112. Lovely stuff. I'm loving it, Martin. Tell Sender to share my long message with you. Can someone get Martin attention, please? I'm out of super chats. Rob's 1993. You've got my attention, Robs. You're on the screen. I'm going through every comment. No member gets left behind. Martin, tell Sensei to share my long message with you. Long message. Did you go into Discord and create a ticket? Is that what you're talking about? Did you DM me on Discord? You've not. If you DM me on Discord, I'll see it. Did you create a ticket on Discord? But anyway, Sensei will definitely tell me. Don't you worry. Sensei will definitely tell me. I don't need to worry. Oh, here we go.
Ed Finke tipped €5 through Super Chat. I wonder that you don't stream from your new yacht after the SC madness yesterday. I hope you still appreciate the smaller SCs. Smiley face emoji.
Are you kidding me? Yes, I do. It's the smaller super chats that built the channel. We have got 116,000 subscribers. We've got a couple of thousand members, right? And our members who pay a couple of bucks every month to be a member have built the channel. 99% of our income on YouTube does not come from ads. It comes from memberships, super chats. And so our members that pay a couple of bucks and our members that give us a couple of bucks and a super chat make up the majority of everything. Do we love when the big whales come in and help us out? Of course we do. And we love it. But the small investors, the ones with a couple of bucks here and there, and they've been members for 5 years in a row, that's what built the channel. Absolutely. And that's why I've never increased the price for my members. I don't go, let's increase the price and make it really expensive. I've made all the memberships never go up in price and just a couple of bucks. So yeah.
No stuff gifted power potion.
Oh, we got one of the magic jewels.
Power potion.
Power. Bam, bam. Oi! There we go. Love it, love it, love it. Stand up to the bully. Yes, indeed. I love helping people feel they have support. Martin, Robin Hood for us. Dino, that's nice. Thank you, mate. Go Martin. Thank you, guys. Israel, I don't know what that means. Going up a little bit more today. Will you do the bread? Will you do the bread with us there? I don't know what that means, Liz. Will I do the bread? Hi, Martin. What price do you see Microsoft will go? I don't know. I haven't done analysis on it yet, but looking nice though, wasn't it last night? Hi, Martin. Good morning from North London. Hello, Reich. How you doing? Pro member here. Hey up, Lucas AIDS, Alan Pratt. Good morning, afternoon. Thoughts on Jersey Mike's? Jersey Mike, we are watching Jersey Mike IPO. There it is. We're keeping an eye. One of our members requested, can we keep an eye on Jersey Mike? So there it is. I've done no analysis on it. I can't tell you any value of it whatsoever, but we will keep an eye on it for you. We said we would. One of our members, a benefit of being a member, right? We can request it. Good morning, James. 5 minutes to go. Hi from Ireland. Hello, I've got family in Ireland. Lovely to have you here. Hello, everyone. Big thanks from Martin for all you give of yourself to us to learn. Hey, Andre, that's what it's all about. You've got to give to people. Don't worry about what you need. People will take care of you. Just give and that's what it's all about, right? And I'm not a religious person at all. I'm just like a lunatic, right? I just love life and I explode with it every day. Just every day I'm exploding with what can I do for everyone today? What piece of information can I bring to people today? That's what I love to do. That's it. Chorizo, tomato here. No, that's not chorizo. Oh, God. We've got a lot of in fact, we don't talk about them anymore. They're not important. Ambient coins. Hello all. Good morning from Arizona, 1970 Buckley. Good morning, Steve Wally. Good morning to you. I'm loving it. Afternoon from the UK. Let's message. Sorry. Yeah, I knew what you meant, Rob. Don't you worry, mate. Hang on a minute. I'm just taking care of some business. I've got my... How long have I got? 3 minutes.
At Green Candle Chaser tip $2 through Super Chat. Please check your Discord DM.
I'm going to look. I'll go look now then. Just be a minute. Okay. Just checking some reverse IPing. Thomas Morrow, good morning to you. Ha ha mag, I'm loving it. SPCE looking good. You plan to exit SpaceX or hold for long? I'm not going to share my trades with you here. It's all for Discordians and YouTube Electrum members only. Right, I'm not sharing it here. Right, go and... How long have I got? Go and check my messages. Oh my God, what's this? Holy moly, what is this? Oh, ho, ho, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Oh my gosh. How long have I got? Have I got time to share that? Let me do this. I've got just about time. Let me play that again.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Wow.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Oh, okay. So what I'll do is let me just download that. Right. Green Candle Chaser, we need to have a conversation again. I will we'll have to have another meeting really quickly. All right. So anyway, 1 minute to go. We'll come back to this in a minute. Here we go. You ready, folks? 30 seconds to go. Thank you, Martin. I've become an investor from the Cockney Cabbie. It's the Cockney Cabbie. Thank you, Martin. I've just become an investor from the Cockney Cabbie. I don't know what you mean by that. I'm not sure I know what you mean by that. You become an investor from the... I don't know what that means. Right, here we go. Big day coming up. Massive day coming up. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The bell has gone, and here we go. Here we go. It could be happening live on the show. Here we go. Here we go. We could be in for a short squeeze. Here it comes. If we get to 117, we could go to $140 on SpaceX today and crush billions and billions of dollars of short interest. This is an amazing, amazing day, and it could happen live on the show. Let me go through the portfolio. I predicted it. I told you the governments were buying it, and they were. Let me show you. We're up $21,000 today. We're up 6.65%. This is what's happening on the markets. The S&P is up 0.79. Boo! Rubbish! Virgin Galactic is also catching the trend. It won't short squeeze today because the volume will be with SpaceX, but it's nice nevertheless. SpaceX is now up 116.10. If it gets to 117, the big news from the government will short squeeze the stock and we could be right at $140. And if that happens, I could be a millionaire live on the show. And if I hold, I'm going to $2 million. And there's nothing you can do to stop it now. Here we go. Palantir going down. Money is coming out there. Gold is going up. Why would you buy gold? I have no idea. Amazon. It's Amazon earnings tonight. We are covering Amazon earnings. We are covering Big Bear earnings tonight. We're also covering, I think, the Coinbase or Apple earnings tonight. 3 earnings at the same time. Trifactor, multi-event. Here goes SpaceX. Short squeeze. Come on, get in. $1 million. I'm loving it. There's nothing you can do to stop it now. Here it goes. Come on, SpaceX. I'm loving it. Let's have it. And I'll also show you that you're going to see Coca-Cola now come down. Watch, Enphase Energy going up. There's Coca-Cola. Look, it's sold off. The piggy bank is working at $90. That was our target. We told you it would sell off at $90 and go down, and it's done it. Exactly as we said it would. J&J going down. Chevron Oil down. Tesla going up but coming back down. Google down today. Microsoft is popped last night, and we told you why. The deal with SpaceX. Boom, I told you live on the show. I said it just happened. 8% went up because of SpaceX. That was last night in the Microsoft earnings. A good little tip there from my White House contact. Again, spot on. Meta going down. It's a good buy, by the way. That's what comes next. Going to $800. Remember I told you Meta is going to $800? It is. Nvidia. Wait for it to come down. I keep saying don't buy all these pumps. It could go to about 100, 110, 120. Anyway, Walmart going down. Too expensive. Tilray Brands, rubbish. Robinhood down. Vertical up. It's only going up because of SpaceX. Don't chase it. Archer going up. Taiwan up. Don't chase crypto. I sold all my crypto. Did it at the top. Institutions rotated out of tech into defensive. You saw me do it live on the show, and I'm going nowhere near it right now. XRP, again, the same thing. I took profit. I'm out of it. I'm going to buy it back at 80 cents. Ethereum is up 1%. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Go back to SpaceX. Here we go. We're also watching Jersey Mike as a request from one of our members, an IPO. But guys, it will get no interest today. It won't do good at all because all the money could run into SpaceX. Right, 115.72. We're getting some early trades, early profit taking. Am I worried about that? No, I'm not worried about that. Now, why is this happening? What happened last night? I told you 2 weeks ago, the reason why I bought this was the government backing, all the money that was behind the government. I told you about the government deals that were being done, and I told you about the, what's it called? Government officials who are buying SpaceX. Now we're getting some early profit taking. This is great because I can buy some more in a minute. If we come back down to here, which we might do, I've got some more money to buy some more. I want to take this to $2 million now. So keep on doing it. Keep on selling. Keep on taking profit because everyone's going, oh, but it's all going to crash in a couple of days' time. Right? Keep on doing it. Let me buy some more. Please take it down. Short it even more. Take it down. Go on. Down it goes. Down it goes. Keep on. Keep on going. Keep shorting. Keep selling. I'm ready to buy some more. I'm ready to buy some more from you. I've got some more money. I've got, how much have I got? I've got, where's my buying power? I got 1,878. Not much. I'm all in, but I haven't got really any money left. But I've got $1,800. So, go on, let me have this for 112. Is it going to go there today? Maybe, maybe not. And like I did say, it will go down there again. It will take profit, but, we're ultimately going up now. There's nothing you can do to stop it. Come on, let me have 112. Come on. Just because it'd be my lowest price. I'm not going to buy higher than that. There's no point. It's not going to make much difference. I've got 1.1 million, so $1,800 isn't going to do much. But hey, it's another Luno. It gives me more lots to sell on the higher end. So anyway, let's watch it. Let's see what happens. Very, very, very exciting day today indeed for SpaceX. I'm loving it. Oh, man. So anyway, we're up to date, $12,000. I mean, it's not a bad day, is it? 12 grand up today, 4%. We've smashed the market. As predicted, Coca-Cola is going down. There'll be some people take profits and buy again because they're afraid. Look, Coca-Cola, there's a little bit of buying, but I wouldn't be buying this now. I'm looking to buy it back at $80, and it can certainly go there. Now, it's very expensive stock. We reached the target, and because everyone in Wall Street knows, everyone who knows there's a big pullback coming. We've already had 5% off the top from the S&P. We've already had a correction, and we're not really breaking away from that. So there's no doubt about it. We're going to go a lot lower. There's no doubt about it in my mind whatsoever. Anyway, SpaceX having another go now, having another little run. Where's it going to go next? Really not that worried what it does, to be quite honest. This is exciting. Now, those shorts I just got a minute ago. Remember I'd show you the clips? Let me just put those out. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to see so many people win. Is that the right one? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? That doesn't look right. Oh, sort by date added. There we go. That's better. Is this the right one? Here we go. Right, here's my clips. Let me send these out for you. The clips channel, the clips channel, and the reels, and and X and Facebook, basically everywhere. These are all the highlights of the day. Here we go again. That got bought up pretty quick, didn't it? I saw people in the chat go, oh no, it's going down. I mean, literally, you don't know what you own. He goes down a little bit and you go, oh no, it's all over. What the hell? It's going to $240. I mean, that's where it's going. That's in the short to medium term. Forget the 400, the 500, whatever. The moment it moves like 0.5%, everyone goes, that's it, it's all over. Right, those clips are on the way. They'll be out in a minute. Oh my gosh, what a day. Let's go to members only because I want to answer questions. We've got so much to do today. We've got 3 earnings tonight. We're covering Big Bear earnings. Actually, let me make some promos. BBAI. Here we go. Let me make a little clip. Let me record 3 little clips. You ready? All right, I'm going to put this out. So this is tonight. Big Bear, BBAI, earnings tonight. We're covering it live. We like this one. We like the connection to NVIDIA, and we also like the connection to another stock, SoundHound. But right now, the excitement will be around SpaceX. Anything like this could pop tonight. We are expecting a short squeeze on SpaceX any moment. I'm invested with 1.1 million, trying to build to 2 million now. So Big Bear is tonight. Join us for the Big Bear earnings. It's going to be exciting. Okay, that's Big Bear. We're also doing Amazon. We're doing 3 at the same time. AMZN. Amazon. Here we go. Amazon. Amazon earnings tonight. We're covering it live. We're covering Big Bear, Amazon, and another one, maybe Coinbase or maybe even Apple. We don't know. 3 earnings at the same time. Why? Why do we want to be so involved? Because we're about to hit the biggest short squeeze in history, and we want to be there. So join us tonight. Vaz is going to do a great presentation on Amazon. You won't want to miss it, and you can flick between all 3 at the same time. Big Bear, Amazon, and one other. We haven't decided which one yet, and we've got members coming in all over the place. Join us for Amazon earnings tonight. Okay, that's Amazon. There's one more. These are going to be all little clips, by the way. And I think we're going to do... What's Sensei going to do? Coin? I reckon he'll do Coinbase. I don't know. He might do something else. He might... I don't know what he's going to do, actually, to be honest with you. I think he'll do... I think he's doing Coinbase. Has he scheduled it yet? He might have scheduled it, and I might have the answer. I might have the answer. Where are we? SpaceX running again. No, it's selling off again now. Everyone's going to freak out. Has he set it up yet? No, he hasn't yet. I don't know what he's doing. I think he's going to do Coinbase. Oh, we've got RC3 coming back now with memberships. RC3 has always been a top gifter our channel as well. I can believe it, because it's what he always does. Coinbase. Right, here we go. Coinbase. There you go. Coinbase earnings on our channel tonight. 3 earnings at the same time. Tune in to see how we're doing. Coinbase. We're going to do Big Bear and Amazon all at the same time. We're expecting a big short squeeze tonight from SpaceX. So get excited. Join us with 3 events at the same time. How's it possible? Join us and find out. That's Coinbase. Right, let me come back to here. Right, now then, can I buy some more? SpaceX, it got sold at 117. Oh, go on. He won't let me buy it cheap enough. I want to buy some more at 112. It might do that. So everyone sells and it, quickly. It could happen, but I'm not going to overpay. I always want to pay less each time. It just keeps improving my position. It's only $1,800, but hey, it does make a difference. It's all chipping away all the time. Right. Right. Let me. Right. I've got to go and put those out now. God, there's so much going on, right? Here we go. So this is, if I just drop that there. That is our Coinbase. That's that one. And then there was Amazon earnings. Let's get that out as well. Love it. Let's get that one up there as well. Waiting for SpaceX to break out. It started and then people took profits and it's like, oh. Spoil my fun there for a minute. Actually, not really, because I want to buy more. I want to buy every single share I can get my hands on. So, I don't mind. And, well, the first one was Big Bear, wasn't it? Big Bear. That's the one, Big Bear. Here we go again, another round. There we go. There's Big Bear. Let's drop that in. Okay, good. They're being done. Thank you for the subscribers, by the way. Join us for a massive event tonight. We got SpaceX breakout. We got Amazon earnings, Big Bear earnings. We've got Coinbase earnings, Amazon earnings. I said that twice. Yeah, a lot going on. And if you want to subscribe to us, make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss any of this stuff. And if you want to follow me on X and Instagram, so you can get all the clips, all the reels, and all the notifications. Also, if you want the one-on-one support, it's pinned to the top. Discord, we do one-on-one support, training courses, video courses. We give it to you all basically for nothing. The video course is worth thousands of dollars. An 11-hour training course, video training course, we give to you for free. Right? It's inside our newsletter. I mean, we could have sold it separately, but we said, no, let's just give everybody it for free. Let's get as many people knowing how to win as possible. That's why we did it. Simple as that. So all of the newsletter, the discount, and all that great stuff is all pinned to the top. I'll give it to you here as well. Here you go. There you go in the chat. Now, a lot of you asked me yesterday, what's this about free shares with Robinhood? Free shares. Yes, Robinhood UK and Robinhood USA. I've got free shares for you, okay? I'm not sponsored by them. I refuse to be sponsored by anyone. But if you're in the UK, here's the Robinhood app. This is what I use. I have a Robinhood UK because I'm a citizen of the UK as well. There is my Robinhood UK. That gives you free shares. I get free shares, you get free shares, and I share with you what I get. It doesn't get better than that. And I'm not sponsored by them to say that. All right, I'm not sponsored by anyone. We just make money ourselves. And here is Robinhood USA. So if you're in the USA and you want free shares, there it is. Right, have we got any of these popping yet? Was that the... Yeah, that was inflation. I'm waiting for all these little videos to do. Here we go. Here's the first one. Right. Coinbase earnings on our... Coinbase earnings. There we go. So, publish on social. So it's quick, isn't it? Already done. So I'm going to put that out now. This is the Coinbase earnings. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at it go now. Come on, SpaceX. Microsoft is pumping. There's a deal with SpaceX. That's why. That I told you last night it happened live on the show. Yep, SpaceX. Microsoft is going up with SpaceX. Yep. It was on the earnings call last night. We told you it was going to happen. I'm loving it. Can't go wrong. Right. So we're covering SpaceX. This is Amazon, Coinbase. Right. Let me put that out now. Select the time at 9 o'clock. There we go. Put this one out quickly. This is Coinbase tonight. 9 o'clock. Coinbase. Schedule. We're unable to schedule all your clips. I have reached my daily limit. I've reached my daily limit again. I keep reaching my daily limit. I'm always oh, bugger me. Hey, here it goes. Another high. Come on, let's have it. Come on, we need to push through 117. We touch 117, but 118 it really takes off. Come on, let's push it through. We're getting so close. I can't wait. Ooh, if I can sell my top lots at 140, I'll be in such a good position. I'll be like Sensei said, why don't you just retire? Why don't you just take all your money and just put it in when you do that? You'll have so much money. So why don't you just give yourself a break? Put it all in Treasury bills and just take a break. Because you've done it. You've beaten the market 5 years in a row. You've gone from $5,000 to $1 million plus. Just put it in Treasury bills and just relax for a while. He said that to me last night. I said, yeah, but people want to see me do it, right? They enjoy it. And it's easy. He said, but you just, why don't you just put it all in and just relax? I'm sure my wife would agree with that as well. If you've made that much money, just go put it in Treasury bills and just sit on the beach. But I like doing this. I like winning. I like beating people. I like beating the bad people. I like making trolls look bad. I do like it. Is it wrong of me? It probably is wrong of me, but I just don't care because that's just the way I am. All right, come on. Let's have it. Microsoft going up with it as well. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. Oh, 117.19. Come on. We need 118 to get this party started. Let's the party get started. Let's go, 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 go. Let's have a party here. It's a pump event. It's a pump event. Let's pump out the smoke. Let's pump the smoke out. Come on. Oh, it's going. Come on, get in. Ooh, I'm loving it. Oh, yes. Here it comes. Hey, here it is. $1 million incoming. Am I going to become a millionaire on the show? Quite likely, yes. 118. Come on, let's do that again. Do that again. Do that again. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Come on, SpaceX. Woohoo! $118, let's see it. Let's see the 118 push through. 118, come on. Am I going to become a millionaire on the show? 118, 118.07. Here we go. How much are we up today? How much are we up today? I'm loving it, loving it. $36,000. Hey, 36,000. Everybody's getting rich. Everybody's getting rich. Play the music again. Play the music again. Play it again, Sam. Play it again. We're all getting rich today. Come on.
It's 1991. Birds and people are
$38,000. Is it our first $100,000 day? Are we going to $1 million? This is just on here. Come on.
You've been knocked down and got up again. Corner, you're surrounded, no defenders.
No defenders.
You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst into fire. Your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst into fire. Burn, a thirst and desire.
Come on.
All light up in a flash, you spread
Your wings and let's get the phoenix. Bum, ba-da-da-da, bum, bum, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da, bum, bum, ba-da-da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da. Faff around. Find out. Come on, SpaceX, let's have it. Let's have it, let's have it. Come on, let's do it. Come on, don't slow down. Don't take profit here. Let's have it, let's have it. Let's see 140 today.
Don't let the ruthlessness prevail. Oh, it's time now, light your fires for ascension.
Bush.
You burst into fire, burn.
Yes.
Thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst into fire, burn. The thirst and desire, you transform.
believe in your flow. You've got the strength and we know you're unstoppable. XRP.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time now, you ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes. Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn. A thirst and desire, you transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
So some of you are getting a little bit frustrated, right? Some of you are going, it's not happening. All the bull flags. Why is it not pumping? Why is it not going up? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. Sell if you want. Let me buy it from you. I hope it goes lower. I hope it does. I've got $1,800 actually to buy lower. It's coming. It's absolutely coming. Just it's got to have patience. These things don't happen on cue. We can have some fun and we can get all excited and we can will it, but it doesn't make a difference. It's just fun to watch. It's going to happen. You know what you own. You know who's buying it. You know what it's worth. You understand how the lockups are going to work. You know what Elon's going to do in 4 days' time from now. So just stop worrying about it. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not advising you to buy it. I'm simply buying it myself. I've got 1.1, well, maybe I've got more than that now. Anyway, 1.1 million. It's going to be very volatile. Lots of drama, lots of ups and downs. But it's coming. All right? It's up to you. Do what you want to do. Don't freak out, though. If you freak out, you shouldn't be buying it. You shouldn't own it. If you don't know what you own, you're going to freak out all the time. Let's go for the positions and show you where we are right now. This is very, very healthy profit taking. Nothing wrong with that. 28 grand in a day, 9%. People freaking out because it's not quite high enough. What the hell are you talking about? Anyway, we've got the S&P going up today as well because the inflation was quite good. Virgin Galactic's up 6%. Hello. It caught the SpaceX trend today. Very, very nice indeed. SpaceX is up and it's trying to go again. It's early days. Palantir is trying to go up. Gold is going up at the same time. Amazon earnings tonight, of course. Watch that. Apple going down. They're reporting tonight. We're covering at least 3 of these earnings tonight. Enphase Energy, it's my top pick to go to $100. Coca-Cola going down. Did tell everybody, do not buy it on the way up. We sold it just after the CEO did, and he hit our price target of 90, and then idiots started to buy it at 90, going, oh, he should have stayed in. We made 3 or 4 times the amount of money by trading it, and now we can buy it back. Johnson & Johnson going down. Chevron Oil down. Tesla going up. McDonald's down. Google is down. Microsoft, that little deal with SpaceX we spoke about last night on the earnings, well, there it is. Meta going down today. Bit of a deal with Meta, to be honest. A bit oversold, if I'm honest. But the money is going to SpaceX and Microsoft. That's where the future is now. Nvidia is okay, but still too expensive. Walmart, going to go down to 100 before I buy it. Tilray Brands worth 0. Robinhood, too expensive. Oh my God, people paid 120 for this a couple of weeks ago. Absolute nonsense. They call me Potato Phoenix. I'm loving it. Let's hear from Potato Family.
At Potato Family 3958 tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. They call me Potato Phoenix. Phoenix emoji.
Joe, be up because it's catching the SpaceX trend, but be careful. Be careful if you're buying this. You're really, really careful. It goes up and back down again. Anyway, Bitcoin is up 1.28 today. I wouldn't be buying any crypto at all. It's going to be siphoned. What's the point of buying crypto when you can buy SpaceX and do better without the issue of just going to zero? Anyway, there you go. It's not going to go to zero, but you know what I mean. There's no real reason to buy crypto at the moment. Anyway, we made our money from it. So SpaceX is selling off again now, and I guess everyone's going to get upset now, right? Oh dear. Let's play this. Have we got sad music? I don't think we have we? Have we got sad music? We need to play sad music now because everyone's going to get upset and it's going to go down again. All right. Anyway, you saw the amount of volume that's coming in. The trend has reversed. Even Sensei will tell you from a technical point of view, the trend has reversed. Everything is now completely different. But anyway, you do what you want. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get off because I'm going to have a little break because this is all bloody exhausting. I'm nearly bloody 60. This is all bloody exhausting. So I'm going to go and have my breakfast. I didn't have my breakfast yet. I had a chance to have a shave, shower, polish my head. Never polished my head in my life. But you know what I mean. I got ready for work, came in here, and I need to go and have my breakfast, go and say hello to my wife. Anyway, the Coca-Cola Club, when are people looking to get back in? Wadey, yeah, I'll be buying back Coca-Cola, but not until I've made some good money from SpaceX because it's not worth it. I mean, I'm 100% in one stock and I'm going to double my position. You can't double on Coca-Cola. And I've got no issue, no doubt in my mind we're going to double. So I could be one of those people that just own 100% in one stock and everyone will go, well, that's not very sensible. That's not very diversified. And I'll go, yeah, it's not. You're absolutely right. And I'm an idiot. But now I'm an idiot with $2 million. So that's up to you. So anyway, SpaceX is where it's at. I'm not going to sell too early. I am going to sell my top lots because we do want to be ready for the unlocks, but it's not going to be what everybody thinks. That's why it's not exploding. Because everyone thinks it's going to go to zero. The predictions are ridiculous. $50, apparently. I mean, $50, my ass. Work out the market cap of that. It's like ridiculous. It's like about 10% of the value of the cash. I mean, who the hell predicts this stuff? AI does, apparently. ChatGPT, if you tell it what to say, it'll come out with all sorts of stupid stuff. Anyway, let's answer some questions. Let's go members only mode. Let's do it. Stream settings. Let's go. Customization. Members only. I want to talk to my members. Everyone's a member anyway, so it doesn't make no bloody difference, does it really? Customization. Members only. Okay. All right. All right. Members only now. So, Liz, we just wait. Yeah, have patience. SPCX, a dead cat bounce. Oh, God, Sten Steele. Not a member, making up stuff, doesn't talk, it doesn't understand it at all. Market blow off top. Is that what you want to call it? I don't really care about all these phrases. They mean nothing to me at all. I know who's buying, know why they're buying. I read the balance sheet and that's it. I'm not selling anything. DJ Martin, with money flowing so hard into NASDAQ, it's helping SpaceX. What is Elon doing in 4 days' time? If you don't know, I'm not going to tell you. All right? If you don't know, you're not a member anyway, so I'm not going to tell you. If you don't know, you need to go and read. Oh, no, Martin, I wish everyone profit and I wish you 2 million. I just don't believe in SpaceX based on data and fundamentals. Vox or Vosa, I understand that. I understand your point of view. It's absolutely fine. You're entitled to your opinion. I get it. Micron up 10%. I sold SPCE with 1.4%. Hey, congratulations. I'm good. This is a 5-year stock anyway, says Marcus. It's more than that, to be honest with you. I bought 110. I'm still up. Joe Mack, Kink. Triple NASDAQ. Up 9%. Thank God I'm working day. Good day job. Could have made so much money. Glad I worked day job and miss. Hey? Thank God I'm working day job. Could have made so much money. Glad I work day job and miss everything. What's going on? I have a large gap in lots from 111 to 138. Took profit from lower middle lots. Congratulations, you're playing it perfectly. All of that we teach on our Discord every day. We've got Discord in 45 minutes. Everything is taking a break now. Cashing in, says Sten Steele. The 77 million bid is still sitting there on Bitcoin at 61,300. So expecting to visit. Yeah. Good luck, Bitcoins, Craig. I'm not touching it at the moment. I really hope it goes around to around 102. Then I buy a decent amount more. But will you? This is what a lot of people say. If it goes down here, I'll buy more. And they don't. I buy with conviction. I don't care about the trading price. That's what people who don't know what they're doing are trading. I don't care about the trading price. We showed you evidence. The average institution and bank paid between 135 and 143. I shared that data with you a couple of days ago. Do you think I care whether I buy it for 115, 16, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9? Makes no difference whatsoever. I am buying SpaceX because it's going to at least $240. And people that sit around going, oh, when it goes to 50, I'll buy it, won't. They never do. Because they'll say, when it gets to 50, I'm going to buy it. And when it gets to 50, they'll go, I think it's going to go lower. When it gets to 40, I'll buy it. And they don't. And they miss it all. People always say that. You're focusing on the price, not the value. What's it worth? It's worth $240. That's what it's worth. That's where it's going short, medium term. So I can buy at any price. Now, do I want to improve my price? Yeah. With discipline, I use lots and I keep lowering my average and I keep getting better and better prices. But do I just pick a number out of the sand and go, at 105.23 cents, that's the go sign for me? Makes no sense whatsoever. Morning, Martin. Hello, Sean. How are you, mate? How are you? You need to clip the Phoenix Wings music. Sad music. For the Coca-Cola, yes, I'll let you know. Don't worry, Wadey, you won't miss it. 9% yesterday, 9% today. Glad I miss it all. Working day job. Oh, my God. This is absolutely bullish. Discord. What, Liz? You just said the word Discord. Discord. Is there a question after that? Liz, Discord. What about it? Is it blown up? Has it disappeared? Has it gone away? If Nvidia, Tesla, and SpaceX walked into a pub, which one buys the first round? I tell you who would buy the first round. Nvidia, because they're always talking up the stock. Oh, hang on, though. Elon does it as well, doesn't he? To be fair. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. Fun to watch. Bloody hello. For sad music, play the tiny violin. Oh, yes. There you go, SpaceX again. Discord today. Yes, of course, Discord today. When do I ever miss? Yes, in 45 minutes. The trend has changed upside since yesterday. Yes, fully understand. I'm out of Coca-Cola now as well, but looking for a re-entry. So am I, mate. So am I. I'll be there with you, Wadey. I'll be there with $1 million next time. And it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. We're going to own it. We're going to own it all. I want SpaceX to go to $12.50. What do you mean $12.50? I want 67 cents. How about that? What do you mean $12.50? Do you mean $112.50? Is that what you mean? What do you mean? Oh, hello. Petra Menorca's in the house. Here we go. Now we're going to get serious. Yes, Discord today, Liz. Yes, stage event. Yes. Yes.
Petra _Menorca tipped €5 through Super Chat. Your dynamic content keeps me engaged. I love the buzz in this community. Gratitude and appreciation.
Do you know what? I'm feeling so much love at the moment from our members. It is like amazing. Yesterday, we had the best support the channel has ever had. Ever in 5 years. And it's so nice as well because we've now got all current members are the top fans, the top members, the top Lucas Aids. There were some prior ones, but they're no longer around. They went a bit weird and strange. But all the top members now are here with us. It's just great. All the best people of all time are with us currently. So it's just the best record to hold. But the best thing I heard yesterday was, I forget who it was. It was in Sensei's premiere. Somebody wrote in the chat. It was a comment, and they wrote in the chat, absolutely love this channel, love the community. And it was, in fact, I've got the quote. Look, I've got the quote. I'm going to share with you. Best comment ever. Love this. Let's do this. Where is it? Sensei sent it me. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. It was from Joey Jonas. He's not even a member. Look at this. This was the best comment I've ever had. Well, not the best comment I've ever had, but one that really meant the world to me, because I believe in always being here. I believe in community. I believe in, it's not me, it's the audience that's important. It's you. I believe that we should always be here every minute of every day. Well, obviously that's impossible because you've got to sleep and eat. But wherever possible, be here all day, every day for the global community. That is it. And a viewer, not a member, acknowledged it. Look at this. So we got a super chat, which is really nice, from one of our members asking a question, which is nice. But this is the comment. Love this channel, man. Every single hour of every day we're getting content. Thanks. A simple statement like that. Love this channel. Every single hour of every day we're getting content. That's my favorite comment of all time, because that is exactly it. We are here all day, every day. I get up in the morning at 5 o'clock in the morning, showered, dressed, suited and booted, and I'm here with you as long as I literally can function. I leave nothing on the table. 12-hour days, 15-hour days. We want to be the best, most honest channel in the world. The first 1 billion channel where we're always here, always live. That's what it's about. And yesterday with Sensei, it was great because it was Sensei, me, Sensei, me, Sensei, me. We were just live all day, backwards and forwards. There was no time we were off air yesterday. Everyone had friends to talk to. Everybody had a community to talk to. We were on air. And tonight, there's going to be 3 earnings at the same time. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, right? That's what I'm talking about. And when people say stuff like that, I really like it. I like it, all right? Just saying, I like it. So now it's time to promote SpaceX, because the next round of pumping is about to begin. Would you like to be involved? Would you like to be involved this time and not miss it? Because it's about to begin again. Are you ready? Okay. So what we're going to do is this. Okay. Here we go. Let me post it now. First of all, I'm going to show you this. Have you seen this? These are the Lucas Aids.
For the Lucas Aids! A new fellowship rises. Let's do this! Yeah! For the Lucas Aids! A new fellowship rises. Let's do this! Yeah! For the Lucasades! A new fellowship rises. Let's do this! Yeah! For the Lucasades!
Yeah. I'm thinking about putting on a concert, hiring out a concert hall and bringing all the Lucasades together from around the world and do a live show in a concert hall. Imagine that. Imagine if we do that. And I know how to do that. I've been doing it all my life. Hire a theatre, hire a venue, put a stage event on. The show is live on a stage with thousands of people in the audience watching a live show. Hire a hotel, take over the hotel. Lucasades come from all over the world, stay at the hotel for a convention, and then a stage event in the theatre that night on the big stage with the big screens, everybody there. Who reckons that's a good idea? Put in the chat. In fact, do a super chat of 99 cents if you would buy a ticket to travel across the world for that. All right? To show me who would do it. Let me see how many people would do it. Drop a 99-cent super chat in the chat, right? Let's see how big a theatre that I can hire out. And I've been selling theatres all my life, so I know how to do this, right? So if you would do this, if you think you would do this, all right, put a 99-cent super chat in the chat. All right? And maybe then I'll give everybody who does that, when we do it, I'll give you $1 back for doing it. All right? So if you would book a plane ticket, go to a venue, stay in a hotel with all the Lucasades Discordians from around the world, and then we'd have a stage event in a theatre, a concert, a big show. It'd be the live show, Sensei Vaz me on a big stage, big screens, big sound, bloody fireworks, the whole lot, live concert, the whole thing. I'd have my grand piano, the works. You'd be there in the audience, live Q&A for the audience, stay in the hotel afterwards. If you would be up for that, 99-cent super chat. If I get 100 people, if 100 people do it, I might just book a theatre and announce it. A global event like that. Like, it'd be just the best, right? Let's see how many people would do it. If we get 100, I might just hire the venue, all right? Anyway, while you're thinking about that, SpaceX is preparing for its next big push. We got 3 so far, 97 to go. Right, okay. Let me create a post. Right. Look at this. Look at this, folks. You believe in it. I can make it happen like that. I just got to know you want it. I've just got to know you want it. And I can make that happen. I can do it.
Advince Bango 1 tipped $1 through Super Chat.
Look at this. You're all doing it. Get 100 and I'll know you're serious about it. Okay? Imagine it. Which country? Which city? Where would it be? Anyway. Biggest event. Thousands of Lucasades all around the world. All in one hotel. All in one big concert hall. Live show. The works. Yep. Imagine it. Imagine it. Right. Let me create an event. SPCX.
At JMan 3055 tipped $4.99 through Super Chat. I would absolutely 100% be there. I appreciate you so much and the whole community loving it.
We get 100, I'll make it happen. You do 100, I'll make it happen. Biggest short squeeze.
At Cryptother Savage tipped $2 Australian through Super Chat. That's the bomb. Let's go.
Biggest short squeeze in history.
At Jesse 3001 tipped $5 through Super Chat. Yes, let's have a get together. Love it.
It's doing well. If you believe, repost.
At Bigger Yorkshire tipped £1.99 through Super Chat.
How many is it now?
Boom Shakalakin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10. We're 10% there. If I see 100, we'll do it. We'll do it. We'll put on a theatre, a concert hall, and the whole world will come. There'll be people will be flying in. We'll book a hotel. We'll take over the whole hotel. We'll put on. It'll be amazing. 11%
through Super Chat.
Can you count them for me? Can you when they come in? Can you count them so I don't have to keep counting? Can someone do a count? So drop 11 now in the chat and keep adding. I need 100. If 100 people do it, then we're going to do it. Biggest short squeeze in history will happen for SpaceX. If you believe, repost, share, and like.
At Brett 1995 tipped £1 through Super Chat.
I am all in with 100 million.
At Defence 89 tipped $2 Canadian through Super Chat. 100 is too much, maybe 20? D.
No, of course it's not too much. I'm going to book a 2,000-seater venue. How can I book a 2,000-seater venue if I can only get 20 people to do it? I can't hire a bloody I can't hire a stadium or something like that for 10 people, can I? Bloody hell, I won't be able to pay for the lighting. I won't be able to pay for the electric. No. If we can't get 100 people to do it, how the hell can I book a bloody concert hall? Bloody hell. When I was going to do the American Airlines Stadium before COVID and make $1 million in one night for the Lions Club, that's the sort of venues that I hire. I can't hire a village hall with 10 seats in it. We're going to hire a proper theatre, a proper concert hall. You know, like my Vegas show, like that. 2,000 seats, right? If we're going to do it, we're doing it, and we're not going to hire a travel lodge. We're going to take over an entire main complex hotel resort. And when we do it right, or we don't do it at all, right? So there you go. If we don't get 100, I'm not doing it. If we get 100, I'm doing it. Right, biggest short squeeze in history will happen for SpaceX. If you believe, repost, share, and like. I'm all in with $100,000 live every day, all day. Right. I'm just doing a post for you. You're going to like this post. You're going to like this post. I tell you that. You're going to like it. So. SPCX. Space X Martyn Lucas.
At the Everyday Squid tipped $1.99 through Super Chat.
We're getting there. Can someone count? How many is that now? I lost count. Green candle. Right, said Fred. Okay, I'm creating a post that we're all going to share. Because that's what you do in a cult. I tell you what to do and you just do it. What? Eh? Really? Yeah. That's how it works here. You're going to like this. I'm absolutely thrilled to bits with this.
At Masayalo0 tipped $2 through Super Chat. You bring excitement to trading. For the Lucasades.
There you go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Right. Now I need to... Can I... Stand by for something really good. Stand by for something really good. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Roads? Where we're going, we
Yeah, I bloody know. Stand by for something really, really good. And everyone's going to do it. Because I said.
roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Yeah, we know. Ba-da-da-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Okay. We're just about to pull the pin. We're going to pull the bloody pin in a second. Bang. Get ready. Get ready to pull the pin.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it.
Ed RJ Evolved has become a member. Super chat didn't appear.
What? RJ? Did you do a sticker? That's often the reason. Did you do a super sticker instead? Don't know why. La 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 la.
Atunes01 tipped $5 through Super Chat. Let's get it, Lucas Eds.
Yeah. SP. I've got some surprises for you. I'm making it live. Making it live. Right. Okay. All right. I think I've done everything everywhere. So I think we're just about there. All right. So what I've done is I put something out. I put something out, and then what I need you to do now is share it, repost it, like it, everywhere. What the hell? Here's another one. Let's do it. Yeah, we haven't got the support yet.
Ed RJ Evolve tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. What the hell? Here's another one. Let's do it.
Yeah, we're not there yet. I can't hire a big venue. Not yet. Right, here we go. So, I've just put out something which is going to draw a lot of attention to SpaceX. It is wicked, right? So, if you use Blue Sky, some of you do, some of you don't. Here is Blue Sky. All right? There is Blue Sky. If you do use Blue Sky, go on that link right now and repost and like it. Something really exciting, right? Got that? Okay. If you are on Facebook and you use Reels and stuff like that, all right, I'm going to give you the link there because I basically put it everywhere, right? Because, you got to go everywhere. You got to go everywhere, haven't you? Oh, it's already happening. People are already liking it. I ain't got a chance to do it yet. Share. Copy link. Right. Share to the group. Yeah, share to the group. Right. Wait for it. Let me give you this link. So, share. Copy link. Okay. So if you're on Facebook
At Brian
and you like reels,
$10 through Super Chat. SPCE earnings August 12th if it hasn't been booked already.
it hasn't been booked, but it is now. There you go. There is reels. There is Facebook reels. Go, everybody, repost it. I see it's already happening. Let me give you Instagram.
At Brian_Bynum tipped $1 through Super Chat.
Copy link. How do I copy link to this? Is that how I do it? There you go. Right. Here's Instagram. Repost and share the hell out of this. Here it is. There is Instagram. How many is that? 93. It's nowhere near. No, if we said we get 100, 99-cent super chats, I will hire a venue like a stadium, a concert hall, 2,000 seats, and I'll put on a concert. We'll hire a hotel. We'll take over the hotel. We'll bring everyone together. We'll do a live show from a theatre. We'll all stay in a hotel. We'll stay on a big stage, and we'll put on a big concert. All right? Get Vaz there, Sensei there, the whole bloody works. It'd be amazing. So anyway, right, I've given you the link to Instagram. You'll see it on YouTube, so I don't need to give you the link for that. You'll all see it on YouTube. And where I want you to do it most is here on X. So copy the link. Here is X. Everyone repost this. You ready? This is where it'll have the most effect. It's already had 5. What am I talking about? This post here. What have we just posted? SPCX, biggest short squeeze in history, will happen for SpaceX. If you believe, repost, share, and like. I'm all in with $1,100,000 live every day on the channel. There's the channel. There's the tags. You want to see what I've put, what it is? Here it is. Watch this. Look at this.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
I love it. All right. Everyone, repost that.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
That's our green candle chaser, our mascot of the channel. He's made a statement. Green candle chaser. We're off. Repost that, everybody.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
All right. There you go. Let me mute that. Let me escape that there. Right. There it is. Right. In the first 5 minutes, at 172 views, 9 reposts, 12 likes or off. It's everywhere. It's on Instagram. It's on Facebook. It's on X. It's everywhere. All right. Blue Sky, everywhere. If you want to get the message out, there it is. Have a bit of fun. You might enjoy that. All right. Thank you, everybody. Right. Well, we didn't get 100 today. We'll try another day. All right. Because if we can't get 100 people, how the hell are we going to sell flights, hotels, theatre costs? Not a chance in hell. All right. So we got it. It'll be a day when we get 100 people say, yeah, I'll come. Then we'll do it. Today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Not bad. 18%, but not enough. That isn't going to rock. If people can't pay 99 cents, they're not going to book a flight and a hotel, and not a chance. Anyway, there you go. So, but we'll get there. We've got 18 people now. You wait. We'll get it. It will grow. We'll definitely do it. All right. I've done it before. We'll do it again. I've hired theaters all over the world, and it's I know how to do it better than anyone. Right. Okay. So SPCE. Earnings.
At Brett 1995 tipped £2 through Super Chat. Here is one for my wife too. We love Martin.
19%. Getting better, right? There we go. Right. 20. How about a local pub? Forget a pub. Not a chance. I'm the world piano man. I'm hiring a mini stadium.
Tipped $5 through Super
That's
Chat.
what I do.
How about a local pub in Dallas and we could .ou?
SPCE. What date was that? August 12th. August 12th. No, we'll do it. If we're doing it, we'll do it right. We hire a stadium. We hire a theatre concert hall. That's what I've done all my life. I'm not going to hire a pub. We're doing it properly. All right? We're not messing around. Okay, how many bloody hell? Hey, 17 reposts in 5 minutes. I'll have that. I'll have that. Very good, everybody. Very good. I'm happy with that. I am happy with that. We want to see hundreds, thousands, but, 5 minutes. How amazing. I'm happy with that. Very, very happy with that. Let's see how that goes throughout the day. Right. Let me set up my 21, 22. If I had to start over with $5,000, I'd buy SpaceX, because that's what I'm doing today with my own money.
FBA_plug tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. If you had to start over with 5K, what you're buying?
SpaceX. Whenever people ask me what I would do if I was starting again, or what I would do if I had $20, or what I would do if I had $50 or $100, is exactly what I am doing. I'm not one of those people who tell you what to do and do something else. I do what I say and I say what I do. Why would I do anything different for $1 as opposed to $1 billion? What's the best value? What's the thing that's going to explode the most? What's the best business? What's got the most proprietary, the most unique position? SpaceX. I tried to buy it privately, but I was unable to. You had to have you had to be an accredited investor with $1 million, and I didn't have quite $1 million available, so I couldn't quite get accredited. Now I can. I'm bloody all over it. So, wow, look at this. It's really doing great. We've had 20. We've had 20 reposts now. Look at that. It's going great. It's doing great. 21, 22. 22% now, nearly there.
At Pucknuts 33 tipped $1 through Super Chat.
Right, I'm going to set up the event for Discord. So, event, create an event, stage channel, pro event, next. Here we go. Is that 22%? 22%. Oh, 23%.
At Arik_3 tipped $2 through Super Chat. Make it happen.
24%. I can't tell you where it's going to be. I want to see what the intent is, because obviously it's great for people. If I said, "Oh, I'll do it in Dallas," everyone goes, "Well, that's brilliant for me. I live in Dallas, obviously." But this is for the world. All right, we've got to know where the world are going to go. Wherever it is, that's the point.
At
Wherever it is, it would be your holiday.
28 tipped $5 through Super Chat. Would you have the event here in Dallas?
It would be your holiday.
So, I am in.
Right, it would be your holiday. So it would be hire a venue, stadium, small concert hall. It would be hire a hotel, take over the whole hotel. It would be a whole thing, a whole package. It'd be like a holiday. So you got to be prepared to travel across the world, because some people would have to, it's not going to be in everyone's back garden, put it that way. I mean, can it? We got a global audience. Someone's got to travel, including me. Right. Okay, here we go. Upload that. Here we go. Next. Create the event. Copy link. Copy link. Right. Right. Okay. There is the event. Done. Discord event. Confirm. Right. Starts in 13 minutes. Right. I'm going to get off. I've got to get ready for our Discord event in 13 minutes. And very, very good. Oh, 1970 Bartley just came back here. Not sure what we're super chatting about, but here we 1970. Let me tell you, it's 1970 what we're doing.
At 1,970, a Buckley tipped $10 through Super Chat. Just came back in. Not sure what we were super chatting about, but here you go.
Yeah.
LOL.
Doesn't matter, does it? What it is, 1970 Buckley, we should just not tell you. We should just sort of say it's a surprise and now you're in for it. What we're going to do, I've said if we get 199-cent super chats to show intent, what we'll do is I will book a concert hall, like stadium, proper venue, right? Not a pub, right? The sort of thing I've been doing all my life, right? I hired the best theatres in the world. We'll take over a hotel and we'll put on a live show, right? This live show on a big stage in front of an audience of 2,000 people. We'll actually hire a venue, right? And it'll be the live show. We'll have a hotel. We'll have a little park. We'll have a whole holiday built around it. And yeah, live Q&A from the audience, live show. I'll have the whole works. The whole maybe I'll bring my grand piano to the whole thing. The whole thing. A one-off global event. And I said, if people do it, 100 people do it, we'll see if there's interest for it. All right? So there you go. We've now got 24%, right? Now, I know some people are going to have to pay a plane ticket. Some people, you know, it's going to cost money.
Through Super Chat.
You know, you've got to book a hotel. You got to pay the ticket for the theatre show. I mean, it's going to be expensive. It's not going to cost 20 quid. I mean, the flight alone. Think of it as a holiday, a package holiday. That's what this would be. All right, you're literally going to go on holiday and stay with all the Lucasades from all over the world, yeah, that's what it is. That's what this is. Oh, okay, a worthy cause. Love it. Did you say the total of $100 is super chats? No. It's not a total. I want. It's not. I don't want your money. I don't want your money. I want your intent, your pledge that you would go, right? That's what I want. So a 99-cent super chat means that's your pledge that you would go, because it's going to cost thousands to hire venues, thousands to put on a production, right? Can't do it for free. You've got to come. You've got to pay a plane ticket. You've got to book a hotel. You've got to, we'll put it all together for you, but it'll be a big thing. So I want to see if we've got the interest for it. Not just give me $100. I don't need you to give me the money to do it. I need you to show me you want to do it. That's what it's all about. Right. Okay. Stage event is in 10 minutes time on Discord. I'll see you over there in a minute. I'm going to go have a cup of tea. And what I'm going to do now is send you all to the extra channel. You can continue supporting the channel over there. Let me give you the link to extra. I think we got 25%. We need 100. So we'll try again on another show. Now, we've got the vote as well. We're 3 days to go.
At Mark Fra, 9,728 tipped $2 through Super Chat. How about Starbase for the event during a launch?
Starbase. Imagine it. I'll have a word with Elon. Best mate now, isn't he? So live now on Extra. Live now on Extra. There is that. Let me pin that to the top. Right, so you can see that. Live now on Extra. Replace the pin. Right, live now on Extra. So what we're going to do now is go over to Extra. I will see you on Discord in 9 minutes. Okay. So we've got SpaceX at the moment rerunning on Extra. Now, every month on the first possible day of the month when we're all together is the 3rd of August because it's a weekend. So on Monday, we bring out number 2 of our t-shirt range. Every single month on the first of the month, because it's a month, because it's the first day we're back is a Monday, it'll be out on the 3rd of August. We're going to bring out our next t-shirt. Now, later on today, we're going to vote in the closing bell for which phrase goes on the t-shirt. An uplifting, positive phrase goes on the t-shirt. Okay? So join us for the closing bell. There's 70 names. It's already sold out. It's already pre-booked. Everyone's got all their names on the back. The t-shirt isn't sold out, but everyone's name is sold out to go on the t-shirt. So on the first of the month, every month, we have a t-shirt come out, an uplifting, financial, positive statement to keep people engaged and make you feel good about yourself. When you're feeling down, you're always winning, that kind of stuff. We've got some phrases like this. We're going to vote on these. 1 + 1 = 2. Absolutely marvelous. Living the dream because you can. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. When is it time to buy? You won't want to. Show me the money. If you choose tax lots, then you're just if you don't trade tax lots, you're a bloody idiot. Buying with conviction, always selling lots. Beating the markets again, the change you want to see. Standing on the moon. They play checkers, we play chess. Always watching. Scared money makes no money. Time for another stock review? Flipping rubbish. One of those will be on the t-shirt on Monday. The first chance we get together of the new month, all right? And they will sell out straight away. Every person will book one. They've already pre-ordered them. The t-shirt will sell out straight away. We will then release a blank one, so people that didn't get their name on it this time, so you can have in any color, any size, ladies or men's sizes and fashions, you can get yourself number 2 in the series. If you want number 1, take care of yourselves and each other, a blank one, that will be available on Monday as well. Okay? Great. And then what we'll do is, as we launch it, we will launch the pre-order for September. And there's like 70 names. It's $5 super chat and you get your $5 back because you get a $5 discount. So you get your $5 back to have your name on the t-shirt. Now, if you bid more than $5, you go to the top. I think it's Bitcoin's Craig. He bid $30 because he wanted to be at the top of the t-shirt, and he will be. Okay, so on Monday we will bring out the new one for August. It will sell out straight away because everyone's pre-booked it. There'll be a blank one, not a blank t-shirt. It'll have the phrase, but the back will be blank. So you can buy a blank one if you want to, if your name's not on it. It's a couple of bucks cheaper, all right, because your name's not on it. We don't have to print the back. So you can get a couple of bucks off and you can buy a blank one. But if you want your name on it for the next one, it comes out in September. The first, I think, 70 people to get the name on the back, that's it. And that will sell out as well within the first few minutes of Monday. So get ready for that. And then we'll pick a phrase. These are all my phrases that I use on the show. And off we go again. Anyway, so there you go. And that will sell out as well. So you've got to be really quick. First of the month. So Monday is the day when we bring the new t-shirt out. When a door closes, turn the knob and it'll open again. That's how doors work. Says 19. When the door closes, turn the knob and it'll open again. That's how doors work. I love it. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like that one, 1970. Right, listen, folks. I've got to go 5 minutes before Discord. Stage event, answering Q&A, discussing our trades. SpaceX is up and down. I'm not worried at all. I'm hoping it goes back down to 112. I've got another $1,800 to buy even more at a new all-time low for me. I'm not going to pay a penny more than I've paid before. I want to bring the lots down and sell the higher ones. But anyway, really, really exciting. But yeah, really, really good. All right. Know if that has a deadlock. Not if that has a deadlock. Oh, very funny. Okay. You've got Extra. Join me now on Extra. There it is. Everybody else, see you on Discord in 3 minutes from now. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.